Here's how to make a campaign with our drag-and-drop UTM builder. On the link details page, you can enter your campaign name, or you can choose a campaign to add your current links to. You can also more easily insert your template of choice right here. You can enter the actual links by many means, typing or copy-pasting, uploading them with a CSV file spreadsheet, or clicking Add Links, which will allow you to add in all of your favorited links, which you can find in URL settings, frequently used untagged URLs. You can also add the campaign category, and you can choose a favorite link shortener. I've decided I want to create a brand new campaign using this template with only this links in the Phase 1 category. Now that I'm completely sure of what I want to do, let's move on to page 2. The UTM parameters. We can see that there's already a sort of skeleton formed for what the final tag link will look like. But if we want to add new tags, we just add a new set of tags in whatever order we like. We can drag the tag, or we can click and add it. One thing of note, you can add a UTM source and medium packaged together in a channel tag, or you can separately add source and medium tags. First you add in your source, and then your medium. If there's ever an emergency where you've forgotten to add a link, you can always go back to link details. Now it'll look like the links that you've put in there have disappeared, but they haven't. You can still add another link, and you can clear all links that have been added thus far, and then return. You can always create new tags on the fly at any time. Not only can you make new UTM tags, but you can also make new custom tags. Alright, I think I've about finished my campaign, so I'd like to finish and save. All of your links will be checked to make sure that they can be tracked. And voila, you will be given the final page.